Hi, my name is Zane, and I do Morquio. Do you know what that is? Morquio is a disease that you're born with. But don't worry, I can't give it to you. My body is missing an enzyme. Scientist was really good to make an enzyme new help. That's why I have infusions. Today's infusion day. I have infusions every week, and it takes about half of the day. Some things you're using for infusions: a pump, and stuff the nurse uses, and what a scientist made. Today we're doing my port. Here's my port. And so we always have to check the vitals. And don't step in my armpit. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
My favorite place that I do infusions is my port. If that doesn't work, then you do my arm. If that doesn't work, then you do my foot. So, my favorite thing of infusions is Steams, the iPad or the Switch. Thanks for watching. Zane says, see you next time.